Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford Bronco, the new generation Ford Bronco from year 2021 currently guys. And if you need to replace key fob batteries, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Even if you have the one with the 3 buttons or the 5 buttons, it will work the same for both of them. Before we start, okay, let me tell you something guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain a common error, okay, that mistake people make that can actually damage the circuit board inside, so make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain what it is. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why? Because our mission as a shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy batteries, tools, parts, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So this is guys the key. Fun fact about that one, it's actually, you may have the 3 buttons that are different colors or the 5 button key, but fun fact, it's the same on a Ford Mustang, okay? The only difference will be the logo on the back side. So what you need to do, press down right here, and when you press, the physical key comes out. That's the key fob right here. We'll get a plastic panel too, and if you come right here, okay, you can come and pry a little bit sideways. Then what you can do, you can get the plastic prying tool underneath, okay, and pry the cover out. Now, one advice guys, here that's a rubber seal. Clean it really good, make sure you don't have any dust, so later everything can reseal and that cover where it will be contacting as well. The battery, people make a common mistake here. You have one hole where you're going to pry the battery out, but that hole guys goes all the way to the circuit board. So get a small screwdriver, do not go all the way deep, just go enough to grab the battery, okay, and pry it out. Because if you push too much, you can damage the circuit board on the inside. Now go in an angle, okay, push it like that, it gets locked in these 2 holders here. The cover, it goes in an angle on the front first, then on the back, close it, and all you have to do, okay, push the key in. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.